You're heading out to buy some flat pack furniture or grab some Swedish meatballs, but you stop yourself because you aren't completely sure if you should say Ikea or Ikea. Let's get you sounding confident before you hit the showroom floor. In natural American English, we all head to Ikea. I-key-a. It is just three super quick syllables with a big bright punch right in the middle. Let's piece the sounds together like furniture. The first syllable is I, sounding exactly like your own human eye. The heavy, stressed middle is key, which rhymes perfectly with a metal door key or the word see. Wrap it up with a soft which sounds like the A at the end of sofa. Let's put it together smoothly. IKEA. Like the video, comment your favorite piece of furniture, and subscribe for more daily pronunciation fixes.